Hey, fitness fam! Welcome back to Diet and Exercise. If you're someone who's juggling a packed schedule but still wants to stay fit and healthy, you're in the right place. Today's episode, The Kitchen is Your Gym, will show you how you can use your kitchen to fuel your body and keep your fitness goals on track. We're talking about healthy recipes that are quick, easy, and nutritious, perfect for busy people like you. Fitness is not just about what you do in the gym, it's about how you nourish your body too. So let's dive into some smart eating tips, meal ideas, and fitness inspiration to make your kitchen your ultimate tool for health and energy. Grab your notepad and let's get cooking. Literally. Why nutrition is just as important as exercise. Nutrition and exercise are two sides of the same coin when it comes to fitness. While working out builds strength, endurance, and flexibility, it's what you put into your body that determines your energy, recovery, and overall performance. You can't outwork a poor diet, no matter how many hours you spend in the gym. Nutrition provides the building blocks for your muscles, fuels your workouts, and keeps your metabolism running efficiently. Focusing on balanced meals with lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats is key to supporting your fitness journey. Start by cutting back on processed foods and replacing them with whole, natural ingredients. When you fuel your body properly, you'll not only look good, but also feel energized and ready to tackle your day. The 5-Minute Energy Breakfast. Start your day right. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially for busy individuals who need sustained energy. Instead of grabbing sugary cereals or skipping breakfast altogether, focus on quick, nutrient-dense meals that provide protein, fiber, and healthy fats. One of my favorite recipes is a protein-packed smoothie. Blend a scoop of protein powder, 1 banana, and a handful of spinach, almond milk, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. It takes less than 5 minutes and gives you energy for hours. Another option is overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, grab it and go. With a nutritious breakfast, you'll kickstart your metabolism and stay full until your next meal. Smart meal prep, saving time and staying healthy. Meal prepping is the ultimate hack for busy people who want to stay fit. By preparing your meals ahead of time, you'll avoid unhealthy takeout and have healthy options ready to go whenever hunger strikes. Start by setting aside a couple of hours on the weekend to cook and portion out your meals for the week. Focus on simple recipes that include a lean protein like chicken, turkey, or tofu. Complex carbs such as quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes, and colorful vegetables. For example, grilled chicken breast with roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes is a balanced, delicious meal that keeps you full and satisfied. Use glass containers to store your meals so you can easily grab them during the week. Meal prepping saves you time, money, and calories, making it easier to stick to your goals. Healthy snacking, fueling your body between meals. Snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. In fact, smart snacking can keep your energy levels up, curb hunger, and prevent overeating during meals. The key is to choose snacks that are high in protein and fiber, but low in processed sugars. Dinner in 20 minutes. Healthy recipes for busy nights. After a long day, the last thing you want to do is spend hours at the kitchen. That's why quick and healthy dinners are a must for busy people. Focus on simple recipes that use minimal ingredients but pack maximum nutrition. One of my go-to meals is a stir-fry. Sauté your choice of lean proteins like chicken or shrimp with mixed vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Add a splash of soy sauce or teriyaki for flavor, and serve it over brown rice or quinoa. Another option is baked salmon with steamed asparagus and a squeeze of lemon. These meals take less than 20 minutes to prepare but provide all the nutrients your body needs to recover and recharge. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making smart, simple choices. Hydration, the unsung hero of fitness and health. Water is one of the most overlooked aspects of hunger and fitness, yet it's crucial for your overall well-being. Staying hydrated helps with digestion, regulates body temperature, and keeps your energy levels high. It's especially important for anyone who exercises regularly because you lose water through sweat. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and even more if you're physically active. If plain water feels boring, try infusing it with lemon slices, mint leaves, or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Another great tip is to carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day so you can stay hydrated on the go. Remember, even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and sluggishness. So make hydration a priority to keep your body and mind functioning at their best. The post-workout meal, refueling for recovery. Your post-workout meal is just as important as the workout itself because it helps your body recover and rebuild. After exercising, your muscles need protein to repair and carbs to replenish glycogen stores. A quick and healthy post-workout meal might include a protein shake with a banana or grilled chicken with brown rice and roasted vegetables. Healthy eating on a budget. Tips and tricks. Many people think eating healthy is expensive, but it doesn't have to be. With a little planning and creativity, you can eat nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Start by buying whole foods in bulk, like rice, beans, oats, and frozen vegetables. These items are inexpensive, versatile, and can be used in multiple meals. Opt for seasonal produce, which is often fresher and cheaper. When it comes to protein, look for affordable options like canned tuna, eggs, and lean cuts of chicken. Another great tip is to cook large batches of meals and freeze leftovers for later. By planning your meals, shopping smart, and avoiding waste, you'll save money while still eating healthy, delicious food that supports your fitness goals. Making your kitchen your fitness hub. Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a space where you can take charge of your health. By preparing nutritious meals and snacks, you're fueling your body for success and supporting your fitness journey. Make your kitchen an inviting space where healthy habits thrive. Organize your pantry with wholesome ingredients. Keep fresh fruit and vegetables within reach, and stock your fridge with lean proteins and healthy fats. Use mealtime prep tools like slow cookers, blenders, and air fryers to save time and make healthy cooking easier. Remember, the kitchen is your gym because what you eat is just as important as how you move. When you prioritize your nutrition, you'll feel stronger, more energized, and ready to take on any challenge. Thank you so much for tuning into The Kitchen is Your Gym. I hope today's video inspired you to take charge of your health by making smarter food choices, even with a busy schedule. Remember, fitness doesn't just happen in the gym, it starts in the kitchen with what you put on your plate. If you enjoyed these tips and healthy recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Share your favorite healthy recipes or meal prep tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear what works for you. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time for another video filled with fitness and nutrition inspiration. Keep crushing those goals, and remember, your kitchen is your gym.